this is bad. This is bad. Buckle up. What is up, guys? Will Workman here with Workman Protection, here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like and subscribe down below so that we can get this content past the algorithm. So yeah, this is bad. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how I broke my custom Glock, possibly beyond repair.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
So what the heck happened? Well, first, a little bit of backstory on the gun. So I've had my Glock 19 for 8 years. I've taken pretty decent care of it. It's not your standard Glock 19 either. I probably have somewhere around, I don't know, 1,100 bucks in it by now.
Good Lord.
With all the custom upgrades that I've made to it to make it exactly the way I want it, which means I can't buy another one. I love this gun like another child. I don't clean it that much, but I do oil it often, and I've never had any issues with the functioning of the gun. Ironically, I cleaned it just a couple weeks ago, and then I fired maybe 1,000 rounds, 1,500 rounds through it, and decided I better go ahead and clean it and oil it again. I made sure it was unloaded and took the slide down and the barrel and recoil spring out, all that boring stuff. Then I took the slide cover plate off and removed the firing pin and spring, went to remove the extractor, depressor, plunger, and spring. Whew, that's a mouthful. And that's when it happened. But before I tell you that, if you are new to concealed carry or you're just trying to find a better way to conceal, then I want to give you something that will really help you out. And that is my free guide to concealment. It's basically everything that I wish I knew when I first started carrying, and I want you to have it for free. So go check that out in the description down below. So I go to remove the extractor, depressor, plunger, and the spring, and it won't come out. I tried and tried to play with it and put oil in there to loosen it up and just work at it to get it loose, and nothing would work. So at this point, I cannot get it to work, and I'm pissed. I figured if I just give it a steady pull, it would come right out. So I give it a gentle but steady pull, and it snaps in half. Both the spring and the plunger break off inside of the slide. No! Yeah. So I take it to the gunsmith, and he said, and I quote, "I don't know, Will, but I'll see what I can do," which isn't very comforting. So that's where I'm at today. The only pistol that I own and carry, possibly broken beyond repair. Thankfully, I have a great friend that lives just down the street, and I texted him and literally said, "Hey, I need a gun today."
I need guns.
And he was like, "All right, come get one." So I'm currently carrying his Glock 17 because it fits in my holster. So where does this leave my everyday carry? Well, it is possible that my gunsmith can fix it eventually and all will be well and good with the world. But if not, I don't think I want to build another custom Glock. It took a ton of time and money to get it exactly the way I want it. I think it might be time to upgrade to an HK. Have you ever had a catastrophic failure with your gun? Let me know in the comments down below. Guys, if you haven't yet, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And if you're into all things concealed carry, then make sure you check out my other content. I have plenty of videos where my gun is actually working. Until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.